Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Searbear, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Searbear. It is so nice to meet you. Dun 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 dun. Guess what we're doing today? I'm back today with another recipe from the Adventure Time Cookbook. Sarah, what are we making today? Oh my god, I am so glad you asked. We are making Softy Cheesy Dogs by Jake. Don't cry on it. This is what it's supposed to look like. Looks like a lot. This recipe was actually suggested over on YouTube. Thank you so much for the suggestion. Thank you for being patient with me. I didn't want to do this, but here we are. We made it, you know. So let's do this. Okay, so there's like 3 different sections on it. So there's softy cheese, onion crunch, hot dog. So each of them is 3 steps. So we technically have like 9 steps. So not too bad. We have like a note up here from Jake, of course, and we have a little warning, and the warning says may cause consumer to explode. So it calls for 10 hot dogs. That's a lot of hot dogs. So I'm actually invited some friends over, and hopefully we can get through all the hot dogs. And if not, I know what we're gonna have for dinner this week. But yeah, that's it. It makes 10 hot dogs. It doesn't even say servings, it just says makes 10 hot dogs. And I don't see any hot dog packages that come in 10 packs. They always come in 8 packs or 6 or 7 packs because I get the jalapeno cheddar hot dogs because I love them. But so we ended up getting two 8 packs. So with a total of 16. And I did end up getting 8 of them being jalapeno cheddar stuffed because I just love it. And we noticed this. Can you guess which one is the thing? Can you guess which one's the stuffed one? This one? Why is it shorter? Because it's like fatter? I don't care. Why is it like how much like what is the difference? What is the difference? It looks the same to me. Okay, I'm being sarcastic, but like, brother, like, do you see? You can see. Hold on. Let me do it just right. Yeah, you can see the difference. Kind of. Not really. If I do it all on one side, yeah, you can really see that difference. You can see it through the freaking wrapper. That's insane. Anyway, I don't think it's gonna be too bad. I just started a little late. It's currently 5:25. My friends are going to start coming over around 6 or 7, and I hope 6, 7. My brain is rotted, y'all. Well, that happened, yeah. I'm going to keep it in. I have to call myself out. Let's go ahead and read what it says right up here. Nothing plays with everything like softy cheese. It's good like cheese and it's soft, like most comforting things. I have yet to discover a food I don't like with softy cheese. For you amateurs though, maybe start out with the salty or savory stuff like these hot dogs. Call me when you're ready to go wild with some softy cheese sushi burgers. Like that laugh. Oh, and remember Clarence? The guy who ate too much of this stuff exploded and became a ghost. Yeah, don't do what he did and explode. Explosion and become a ghost. Can it be high five ghost? You know, whenever I was trying to get a job when I was a teenager, oh my god, it's embarrassing. But whenever I was trying to get a job as a teenager, I was in marching band. I know, the coolest section, the best percussion, by the way, the best section. Sorry, y'all. But anyway, I was in band and I had some free time, so I went to go get a job. And so I went to go interview at the movie theater, and we had talked in common with the interviewer that they had also been in band. And I literally, without thinking, my hand was in the air. I couldn't take it down. I had to commit. Anyway, I got the job and I was there for like 10 years, so. High five ghost. That's my reason why I should be high five ghost. I don't even think too bad. It seems like the hardest, quote unquote hardest part, oil, crunch, but I want that crunch, baby. So I don't know, it seems like it'll be pretty easy, but I'm not gonna think it's too easy because now that there's a time frame that I need to go in, I don't do well with quick time events, baby. So more power to us. It is currently 5:31. We're gonna go ahead and get started and see how long it takes us. All right. And here are the ingredients. Wow. So much. Do you see all those hot dogs? Like, oh my god. Do you see all those hot dog buns? Oh my god. Let's go. So, yeah, 9 steps. Let's go ahead and read what we have to do. In a large saucepan, melt butter on medium-high heat, add onions, carrots, celery, and garlic, and turn heat down slightly. Cook for 5 to 8 minutes until soft and onions are translucent. Add flour, stirring constantly, even coating the vegetables and the pan. Allow to cook for another 4 to 5 minutes, stirring constantly. Add milk and stock and turn the heat up to high. Bring the mixture to a boil while continuing to stir with a whisk to make sure the flour and liquid are thoroughly combined. As soon as it comes to a boil, turn back to medium heat, stirring and making sure nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pot. Once the sauce starts to thicken, slowly add the cheese until it's all melted into this paste. Set aside or refrigerate for later use. For the onion crunch, in a medium saucepan, heat the oil to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl, toss the shallots and flour together. I didn't need shallots. I forgot to, so I have onions instead, so we're gonna use that. Even though I know it's not the same, I'm still gonna use. Gotta use what we got, man. Use the shallots thoroughly in the flour, breaking the shallot layers apart as you incorporate the flour in order to fully coat the shallots. Use a strainer to sift the excess flour on the shallots, and in about 2 or 3 batches, carefully place the shallots in the hot oil. The shallots are done when they are golden brown and crispy. Generally, when you don't see any more bubbles around the shallots, they're good to go. Shallots should be pulled from oil with a slotted spoon and laid on paper towels to strain excess oil. Slightly salted seasoning sticks to them before they cool down. Heat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook hot dogs on medium heat, about half covered with water, in a large saucepan covered for 10 minutes. Forgive me, chat, for I have sinned. This was the only container that I have right now that is readily available for the hot dogs. Oh my god. Okay, anyway, yeah, that's what we got here. Perhaps. When the hot dogs are about halfway cooked, stir the buns on a baking sheet in the oven. That way the buns and dogs will be ready at the same time. For assembly, grab a bun and a hot dog. Add as much Softy cheese and jalapenos to your dog as you please. And finish it off with some onion crunch for the best hot dog ever. Alright, and here's the reveal. But I'm in a different room. My friends got here, so I didn't finish in time. But one of the other ones isn't here yet. She's not here yet, so I'm still technically within it, kinda, not really. But now it's time to try it, and I'm also weird about recording in front of people, so naturally. But here is the hot dog. Let's go ahead and try it. Oh my gosh, this is the jalapeno cheddar stuffed one too, so like extra, you know. I put a lot of jalapenos. I love jalapenos. I think my friend's here. It is good as shit. Oh my god. I think it's pretty good. It did take me a while because I did turn down the heat for the oil and I forgot to turn it back up. So it took me like an hour to fry the onions. And again, I used onions instead of shallots, but I think it still turned out pretty yummy. I'm gonna eat the rest of it and hope my friends enjoy them too. And yeah, if there's anything that you guys want me to make from the Adventure Time Cookbook, here's the options right here for you guys. But pause to read if you need. But thank you again for the suggestion. It was super simple. I finished at 7:14. Well, okay, no, maybe like 7:10-ish is probably more accurate. So, and I started at what, 4:41? Well, prep was at 4:41. I started at 5:30. Dude, it took a minute, but that's okay. It was delicious. So, I'm looking forward to doing the video and making it until the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye! Forgive me, chat, for I have sinned. This was the only container that I have right now that is readily available for the hot dogs. Oh my god. Okay, anyway, yeah, that's what we got here. Perhaps. It doesn't work, okay? Alright, and here's the review. Wow!